Welcome to another social distanced Fun Food Friday. Today we are actually testing this Nancy's oat milk. It's a non-dairy yogurt and it has lots of probiotics in it, which is one of the benefits of yogurt. But the problem with conventional yogurt is even if it doesn't have any added sugar, it actually is going to convert to sugar very quickly. Cindy can tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so even just the lactose, which is a naturally occurring carbohydrate or sugar in dairy, is going to contribute to some of the sugar in yogurt. So even before most of us do buy some fruit sweetened or, added fruit to our yogurt, and that's going to even be in higher content. But even without that, there's still a significant amount of sugar, usually about like 7 grams or more. So that's one of the benefits I love about this oat milk brand is that there's no sugar at all, 0 grams, which is really cool. And some other benefits are there's faba bean protein, so it's a nice amount of protein in there. So that's pretty cool, all vegan, and it has the natural probiotics to it. So all plant-based, which is really great. And it's clean ingredients. It's thickened with agar, which is a seaweed product that just thickens it. So it's all natural. There's no like creepy chemical-y ingredients in here. So I really like it. We'll see how it tastes.
Yeah, well, let's put it to the test because, of course, it needs to taste good too. So I'm going to try to show you the texture. I will say that the texture was a little bit, I was laughing. Jessica said, she goes, is that cottage cheese or is that yogurt? And so I said, it is actually yogurt. And it does still have a few lumps in here. You can see that I actually stirred for a while to try to get these out. And so one of the things that I think will be interesting is to see how the texture was. It did remind me of a little bit of like that Jell-O kind of a texture, if that makes any sense when you open it up. So let's see, you guys.
That's actually pretty good.
Really tart.
Yeah, I feel like it's pretty neutral flavored. It doesn't have a strong flavor profile to me. It's kind of neutral.
You know what's funny? I actually think I like this better for a sour cream than that other brand of sour cream that you've tried. This has more of that like kind of tartness than I think it does. So I think people that are expecting kind of that plain yogurt vibe, I don't know if this is going to have quite what they're looking for, but it certainly is, it's good. I mean, I definitely like the tartness. I could definitely see people adding some, cinnamon to it or other things, or using it to use as a sauce to thicken something up or make it a little bit more creamy.
Yeah, I would add fruit to it, like blueberries or strawberries. I don't know, just like a little snack.
Yeah. We always want people, if you're going to add fruit to this, you actually need to make sure that you're going to add a little bit more protein to balance it out and other stuff. Otherwise, you're really just getting your healthy fat and your high fiber carbs. So remember, you'd be missing out on the non-starchy veggies and getting the appropriate amount of protein. So this could be part of a meal, but remember, you're missing those other components as well. But yeah, I think flavor-wise, it surprises me how tart it is.
Yeah, I think a plain yogurt, you sometimes need to, a plant-based plain yogurt, sometimes, you got to doctor it up a little bit. So cinnamon extracts are really fun too, like an almond extract or vanilla extract, add a lot of flavor without, any other real nutritional qualifications.
Yeah. Well, it's interesting. Yeah, I definitely would use this more as I'm not a yogurt person. Like I don't really eat yogurt because I got away from that once I understood the impact on the blood sugar. But I think this would be interesting as a sour cream replacement. I could see doing it on top of, like I make this curry and it has a little bit of spice, and this would be really good on top of it to take that heat down a little bit or something like that. But I don't know if, I would do it like on its own or with fruit or something like that, because I feel like a lot of people do that for breakfast, and I think that's something that actually sabotages success for clients, is doing like a non-fat yogurt and then doing it with like fruit and nuts, and they typically are doing too much on the, you know, high fiber carb side, and they're doing too much on the healthy fat. And this one it does have some protein in it. You could make it a complete meal with adding some more protein powder to it and then getting in your non-starchy veggies. But of course, that's the easiest thing for people to skip. So I would say, you know, really looking at some different ways of using this might be more effective for people. Yeah. Well, fun. Well, thank you for joining us for a Fun Food Friday. Please come back and enjoy this again. And remember to like and share and let us know what you want us to test next in the comments.
Bye.